Morna, and today I'll be talking fast. I have a lot to cover. First of all, happy December 2023. Can you believe how fast 2023 went? I want to tell you about the upcoming opportunities for collabs and challenges. Oh, there's more in here than I thought. That'll delight my cameraman, who's very busy today. Oh, nope, felt like something else and it wasn't. I have been to AliExpress. Yes, I bought some dolls. I can't resist those sales. If you'll get a pen and a pencil, I'm going to be telling you about collabs and challenges coming up very soon, all through December, and some in January. Let's get this open. Oh, I know who this is because I see the dark hands. This is a doll I have been wanting for a very long time. Ruby Red's World of Dolls had this girl years ago. And I went and saw her. I liked her. At the time, I didn't have Blythe dolls, or not many of them. I have a few today. Oh, this is not her. This is not those dolls. Okay, well this is an awfully pretty girl. I'm going to pull this up because she has the matted face. I thought this was my other doll. Look at this forest green hair. Is she gorgeous? Boy, this is a lot of hair and very nice hair. Thick and nice, not greasy at all. Let's check eyes real quick. Oh boy, I can't get a hold of her string. Here we go. All right, if you don't know Blythe dolls, they have a string in the back of their head that you pull back and their eyes change direction and color. That one kind of squeaked, but that's okay. There's another one in here. Her name is going to be Spruce. I couldn't decide between Forest and Spruce, so I named her Spruce. This one is going to be Laura. You'll get it in a minute. And I had to have her. Tina at Tina's Reborns bought that. She didn't have face shield. Huh. Tina's Reborns bought this doll and sent me a picture. I'm like, oh. Would you mind if I got one too? She's like, no. So I had to have her. She reminds me of Dracula. Oh, let me get my face out, or my finger out of the, let me hold her different.
Just got a mess going on here.
I'm trying to hurry. Here we go. All right. Anyway, Tina had one and I wanted one. And when I saw her, I thought, I have to think of a Monster High kind of name. And I thought, well, why not just Laura? So there she is. No face shield. And I paid quite a little for that doll, more than the others for sure. All right, December 1st is today. On December 3rd, coming up real quick, Dory's Dollies and I are hosting the Amaya Rain Day. And while we do show our Amaya range, usually our 24-inch, it's for any Rainbow High doll you would like to show. This month, December 3rd, is Rainbow High Christmas. And you can either dress your doll or show it in front of a Christmas tree, anything like that. Oh, I love this doll. I got her just to cut her hair. I know that sounds weird, but most of the dolls I buy anymore, I have a reason to have them. They're for a collab or a gift or a face-up or something else I want to do with them. So I got this doll on sale, like I said, and boy, she's whiter than the others that have come in like her. And I got her. I knew their hair was coming in choppy. Now look, hers isn't, but I could switch her out with them. Yeah, it is. Is that choppy? And I thought, you know what? I should get one of those and see how I am. I'm not good with hair, I'm gonna tell you right now. You can look at mine and see it. I'm not into fixing hair. But hers I am going to cut. Let me pull this back and show you her eyes. I don't have a good hold on her. Oh, she's cute. Okay, I'm just gonna set her here, but I got her just to cut her hair. Okay, on the 5th of December, coming up in 4 days, because you're seeing this on the 1st, Tina's Reborns and More is doing a sweaters challenge. And that is, as I understand it, Tina, and if I'm saying this wrong, forgive me, any sweater at all, not just, what do they call them, ugly Christmas sweaters, but anything. On December 5th, on December 16th, we have the Dolls Gone Goth collab coming up that everybody can join in. It's a challenge. And Dory and I host that, Dory's Dollies, and we will let you know on the 9th what the theme is. Same with the elves. On the 7th, we'll tell you the theme for the 21st. Now remember, that is any elf at all, any kind of elf doll you have, and there's a lot of different kinds. The 18th is Holiday Barbie. Oh, you kind of stood funny on your stand. And that is take a Barbie, any Barbie at all. And thrifted Barbies, your niece's Barbie, and dress it. You do not have to make the outfit, but dress it and fix its hair, etc. Like Mattel does on the Holiday Barbies, and that's what it's called, Holiday Barbies. And everyone is welcome to join in. We will upload those videos at 10 a.m.
Central Time.
Central Time, yeah, I'm sorry. Glad you remember that. On the 19th, this is a fun one. Tina's Reborns and More again is doing a Grinch Christmas. And that is dress your dolls or set up your dolls or anything you want like the Grinch. I have some outfits, and I also have a doll that I had done in a contest with Tammy Polly, making a doll to look like Cindy Lou Who. I'm going to get her back out. That was Darren's suggestion. And I have other dolls, and not just Blythe's. Her hair is much thinner than it used to be. There are a lot of human beings that would still like to have hair this thick, believe me. But it's thinner than it used to be. She is very white-skinned, pretty face. But she's also matted, and I like that. Why did I get her? I got her because my Blythe that I made a Christmas elf out of kind of became my BlytheCon, because you had to have a doll with green hair, and the theme was Statue of Liberty, and Darren surprised me with a headband and a torch and shoes, and oh God, love him. He's so fun. He 3D prints items on the 3D printer, and I'll get up in the morning and he'll have something sitting on the counter for me or by my computer, something new or in another color, and the headband and the torch, well, even the shoes. He even surprised me with the color, and it was the best color you could get. All right, let me see. Like I said, the elves will be on the 21st, and then on the 25th, and I know it's Christmas, and you all are going to be busy, but if you got your video ready, you could schedule it for Christmas morning at 10 a.m. Central with your boy dolls. This month we're doing something a little different, and we will all tell you about that. I do that with Irene from Irene's Dolly Space, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Gosha at Gosha's, no, it's Toys, Dolls, and More. Forgive me, I'm just trying to get it all out quick and get these packages open. All right, I bought this doll because I could. And I bought some of these before because in March, probably mid-March, I am doing a collab, and it is a collab. It might be open to a challenge. I haven't really decided. To make your doll, purple-haired doll, into two things. One, an Easter bunny, and two, a Playboy bunny. And so I bought this because I'm going to send out some dolls for this one. We haven't done that in a while. And I think I have, what do we have, 4 or 5 to send. And I think two are spoken for, and the others we will determine coming up. All right, I have a couple small bags here, also from AliExpress. That ends, oh, and I had bought these little outfits before. It's like a little sweater dress. It's really cute. It says love on the collar. And it's got Barbie shoes and a Barbie hat. I'm going to send those with the Blythe anyway. It's just a cute little outfit for the Blythe when we get that far. January's coming up. Get ready for the same. Amaya Rain that I do with Dory's Dollies is always on the 3rd of the month. And that's a challenge open to anyone. And it is, like I said before, any rainbow high doll of any size. We don't care. Look how cute these are. This is like a little well, it is a Playboy bunny Blythe or Barbie outfit. I found on, Barbie. Found on AliExpress. These were not expensive. I got it just to see what it was. It even has the wrist cuffs and the neck bow. God, that's cute. This was just a couple bucks. Let me put this back in here. I don't want to lose any of these. I'll put it right here. Put the bag over it. And let me see what's in this one. Amaya Rain, every month on the 3rd. Barbie, every month on the 18th. I do that also with Dory's Dollies, 10 a.m. Central on that one. The boy doll, always on the 25th, 10 a.m. Central. I do that with Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Trolls, yeah. Dolls, Trolls, and more. I'll get it out there, Gosha. And Irene's Dolly Space. The Elves on the 21st. I do that one with Penny at Playful Reborns, Dory's Dollies, and Tina's Reborns, and more. Every month, 10 a.m., we upload our videos. We give a theme each month, any elf doll. Let's see, what else is every month? Amaya, Barbie, boy dolls, elves, oh, and Dolls Gone Goth that I am now doing with Dory's Dollies every month. And that is on the 16th, and we hope you will join in. Every month, write that down on your calendars. This is the same as I just showed in black. Actually, it's the same thing. Only in a blue and a purple. I thought the purple might be fun. But I'm gonna put this on and make bigger ears and see how these look. To do this collab, you do not have to sew, but you will have to find a bunny outfit and a Playboy bunny outfit. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel and for staying this long. Don't forget to go to Melissa's channel and leave all the Christmas cheer. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.